Hi, I'm James the Light Guy, and today we're going to look at some LED replacement shop lights. Before we get started, I'd like to thank you for watching, and if you're new to the channel and enjoy this sort of video, consider subscribing. In an effort to improve the channel, I recently asked for suggestions from my viewers. This is going to be a test of how well I listened. If I did well, hit that like button. If not, let me know in the comments how I can improve. Today's lights are Hykolity integrated LED T5 single light fixtures. They are available on Amazon, and I will have a link in the video description if you'd like to get them for yourself. I purchased a 6-pack at a cost of $35. In the box, I got 6 of these large boxes. Each box contains a single LED fixture. And with it were 6 of these smaller boxes. In the smaller boxes, we have hardware. We have a corded wire with a toggleable on-off switch, a series link cable if you'd like to string the lights together, a hard wire cord if you'd like to wire them into an existing circuit. On this cord, we have the green-yellow wire. This is our ground or earth wire. The blue wire is neutral, like the sky, and the live wire is brown, like the color of your pants, when you remember or realize that you didn't turn off the circuit breaker. We also get a small bag of mounting hardware, some clips, screws, and a hard adapter if you are butting them right up against each other without the need of flex or a gap. Looking at the fixtures, they are 4 feet long. And have a pass-through at each end. Using a small tool, in this case this piece of acrylic, we can pop the end cap open . Inside, we can see the wires that go all the way through, and a single row of LEDs on a strip. This strip is protected by this milky white diffuser and held on to the assembly by a thick celastic. Grabbing our new power supply here, we can turn this on. Helps if I plug in the other end. One moment, please. Alright, I'm back. Now that it's plugged in, we can turn it on. And it has some readings from previously. But we can see that we are currently at 124 volts out of this outlet. Let's grab one of our cables. And plug in a light. There we go. You can see we're still at 124 volts. We are drawing 0.168 amps, so 0.17, and consuming just about 20 watts. These LEDs don't actually run on AC power. This alternating current has to go and be converted into DC current, so at the end of each cable in the housing is a bridge rectifier, which converts the AC to DC, and a small power controller to limit the current across each of the chips. Normally, this comes at a penalty to the power factor, but we can see here we have a power factor of 0.96. A perfect power factor is 1. So we can see that these are relatively good. They are fairly bright. They are very efficient at being only 20 watts of power consumption. And due to their low power draw and large surface area, I feel that they have a fairly long life expectancy. With that, I can highly recommend using these for anyone looking to upgrade their shop lights. And that's all for today's video. If you enjoyed it or found the content informative, please hit that like button so I know I did well. Consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already, and ring the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. If you have any comments or questions about these lights, this video, the channel, or about myself, let me know in the section below. If you're still here, consider watching another one of my videos, like this one, or maybe this one. But until next time, I'm James the Light Guy.